Welcome to all the classic car enthusiasts. I've put together I've got a plug on it, put it all together. Unfortunately, what's happened is with the spot welder, with a handheld spot welder, the current is pretty high on it, and my system in here, although it's single phase, this machine, it's a 35 amp, and I think it's 25 amp we've got, so I'm going to talk to the electricians and get them up. The pistol though is working fine, and this works, but it'll only spot weld once and then it's throwing the switch, because I think there's 10 amps difference. So I'll get the electricians. I'm not really good with electrical stuff. As soon as anything to do with computers, electrics, electronic, terrible. Anyway, but it does spot, and the air operates okay. It's doing its function, but it's just shorting straight away. Whereas the handgun, I'm very, very impressed with. That's what I'm going to show you now. I've tried a few different things with it, different metals. I've tried it with not cleaning the metal down, tried it with a heritage panel which has got quite high paint on it, high build paint on it, much better than the Magnum stuff. I tried it with the Magnum stuff just to see with that light transit paint on it, but you really do need to clean it, obviously, to get the fusion to work. What I've done is I've put a little dent in here, and I'll just show you one of the tools. I'll show you a few of the tools with it, and this is the first one. So basically, what's really good about this machine is when you put it to a setting where you've got it where it's just nice, it remembers it, keeps it in its memory. So every time you change it for something, you can it'll go straight back again. So I'll show you the first thing, which is you can just use this is the one I was telling you about, which is a carbon rod. You only get one of them, but you can buy them in packs. And basically the idea behind this is that you've got a panel with a big dent in it like that, you can heat it and then put cold water on it. I won't put the water on it now, but I'll just show you it so you can see it glowing. You can see how it glows. So you can see it glowing there. And then what you do is quench it, and then you can. The other thing, it does get a little hot. I have to say, you have to wear gloves with it when you. So I'll put that tip down, and I'll show you the next bit. So what you do then is you take this off. Take this nut off. This nut operates a few things. You can have something like this, which will fit inside with that nut, and this is for doing these W springs. And basically what you do is as you put them on, you just fuse them in between against the car, and then you can put this on these grabs to pull it on the slide hammer. So I don't actually need that piece. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this piece on, which is I'll take this out first. So you've got different ones. So that size and that size both fit in there. So you can spot weld with this, or you can use this one, which is for you put washers in there. It's the same thing. So that side and that side all fit together. Just to give you an idea, I'll put this back in and just spot weld a piece for you before I put this slide hammer on. And do that last. So all you do is just tighten up. And there's different modes on here at the moment. This is actually, so I'll turn this around maybe a little bit. I'll preset this up. So this is now the single spot. So just so I can basically go on there and just, it's actually not tight enough that. So I can put it on, and you can see it makes a cracking spot weld. If you put, and these are 1.3 each, so in fact this is 2.6 this unbelievable. I didn't realise the gun was as good as that, and you can set it up and down the power on it. So what I'll do now is I'll just take this out and change this other one over and show you. But that welding on it is unbelievable. I didn't think we'd be able to do metals of that thickness, but obviously you can. So I'll put this on now. So this fits on. Quite easy to change them around. You can see that. So now I'll put it onto the next setting, which is this one. So now you can see I can put it in onto the, hopefully that's showing. So I can put it on and I can then just a flick. You can see. Pulls that down, and all you do is just flick it. That's pulling that. What I'll try and do is bring that camera up. Let me put this down. Bring that camera up a bit so you can actually see it in action. Hopefully. There you go. So I'll do it now and you can see. So you can see there's the stud. And then I can see it pulling that down now. Just a half flick is enough. And you can see how the tips go after a while. That one I've already used, and in fact it's not very tight, that. Oh, excuse me, it's not very tight, but anyway. So I'll just, you can see it pulling it. And obviously you put different power levels on, it'll pull it more and more and more. But I've done it on a piece earlier and I was well impressed with it. So yeah, so that's I'm going to pick the camera up now and just show you. So that's the gun and the handle. You get about 20 or 30 of these. These are the little studs. These are another style. The one thing I did find, I got this copper earthing strap with it, and obviously you need copper because it's the best conductor. That's why they use it in electric three-phase buzz bars and so on. And this is a clamp to go with it, which I'm not very impressed with. But if you try, I tried to use, went down to the store when I bought the plug and I bought this, and what it was doing, it was just fusing itself to the metal, and you know, you have to make a mark to get it off. So obviously the copper has to be underneath it. So I'm going to come up with a better method than that, something I can buy. But you can see there the penetration on it. It's unbelievable. And that is 1.3 each. That's bigger. The normal stuff is 1 mil that you get in you know, you get from mini spares. Any of the parts you get from the mini is normally 1 mil, and this is 1.3. And yeah, you can see. I mean, I gave that a good whack. It's just a quick demonstration, let you have a look. And these are the settings here on it. So very easy to move up and down. So you know, if you want, for instance, you want this burner, you just go up to that. Test light, that's for MIG, and it goes automatically, and then you can change it here or here to all the different settings. So yeah, so I'm just going to get that fuse sorted out, and that should be it. But I'm well impressed with it. I'm particularly impressed with that pistol. I mean, I could use that inside. Anyway, not much of a review, but once I get the electrician up, I'll just get it sorted. And anyway, thanks for watching in. Take care and bye for now. Bye.